All right, guys, I got the child, which means it's time for ThredUp Unbox. Hey guys, it's me, Kay, and you've arrived in my weird little corner of the internet. Welcome. If you're new here, I'm a part-time reseller, mostly on eBay and Poshmark. I also sell on Mercari and Depop and locally at an antique booth. And like I said in the intro, I have my daughter here, which usually means we have a ThredUp Funbox, which we in fact do. It's usually 10 random items for $34. It used to be, I think, $32, and they increased the price. This one's from Phoenix, Arizona. Our last one that we did like a week or so ago, I think, was from Georgia. So let's open her up and see what we got. You gotta undo, yeah. Here's my receipt. Okay, 3, 2, 1. First peek. And we're back. I had to delete some stuff off my memory card.
Wow, way to steal my line.
Well, you didn't say it the second time.
I want to go first.
Okay.
No socks.
No socks. Excellent.
Wayne's World.
Wayne's World. Are you gonna keep those?
Probably.
They're really cute. Where are they from?
I don't know.
What are you? If you're new here, this is how our Funbox unboxings typically go. What are you?
Richer dash poorer.
Richer, poorer, gnome socks. Are they fancy gnomes or just gnomes? They look like they're naked.
They're not naked. They have clothes on. It's just he's wearing a pink sweater.
It looks like his flesh. It looks like he's just wearing drawers. If you guys can see that.
Oh, it was off.
And boots.
Anyway.
Oh. Okay. I'm gonna guess you don't want whatever this. Oh, yeah, you're not gonna want this. Okay, Spanx. One of my best sales of 2022 was a Spanx like mid-thigh bodysuit that came in a ThredUp Funbox that sold for $100. So these probably won't because they're just underoos, but they are smooth underoos. Lace waist hipster. The MSRP is $24 and they're a size large. And let me put them the right way. Little hipster underoos. Okay.
Next is a belt.
Woohoo! I don't think
it's like a slinky.
I think we've gotten a belt maybe one other time.
Like it stretches.
Ooh. Where's it from?
Accessories.
Oh. Super fancy. Accessories. There we go. All right. Let's see. What do I want? I'll take these.
Okay.
All right, we got some Old Navy flops. These are a size 7. They have a little bit of wear on the bottoms. Probably were only worn just a couple times. Just a little basic tan flop with a black strap. I'll probably list these for, I don't know, like $6, $7. Nothing wild and crazy.
Tights.
Tights, always, there's always tights and or socks, usually both.
Opaque shaper.
From
in
Attention.
A size medium/large.
Cool. I sell a lot of the tights that I get in these boxes and the socks. And there's another pair of tights in here. Opaque tights again, size medium/large, Joe Boxer this time. And they were $6.99 at Kmart. Ballin' on a budget.
Vineyard Vines.
I thought I saw something that was Vineyard Vines. Oh, these are cute. And they're Christmassy, so we kind of missed the boat there, but that's okay. Let's show them a close-up of the print. You can see the whale's got a little Santa hat on, and so do the fish and the starfish, and there's a Krabby Patty.
Krabby Patty and a swordfish.
And a Christmas tree.
And a boat.
A boat.
And a wreath and an anchor.
And a lighthouse.
Shell.
What size are they?
They are
They even have a fancy Christmas tag. Merry Christmas 2021, bro. So they're last year's Christmas pants, totally fine. They're still new with the tags.
Ooh, it's a sticker.
Yeah, I thought I saw that. Original price $59.50 for just the pants. $60 for pants.
No thanks.
Don't peel a sticker, I'm gonna sell them.
Don't peel a sticker.
Don't peel a sticker.
I want to peel a sticker.
Don't peel a sticker. Ooh. Okay. So this is Chanel Parfums. It's probably not going to be worth a whole lot, but I'm sure I can sell it. I do have a friend here on YouTube, Megasis Thrift. She got a Chanel perfumes, I think from the bins. It was a bigger bag than this, and she sold it, I want to say, for over $300. So I don't think this is going to get that, but I'm sure at least someone will want this little Chanel perfume bag. Whoa.
A swimmer lady bag.
Okay.
Her
It's pretty big.
cap thing has a flower on it.
That's cool.
Large.
Very large. Who's it from?
Mud Pie.
Okay. Mud Pie is like a little boutique-y type brand.
I feel like I needed to say that with a country accent.
Mud Pie.
Mud Pie.
Cool. Which one you want?
That one.
Okay. All right, so this one is Colsey. I believe this is sold at Target. You guys probably can't see this. I'm not doing a good job of showing you close-ups today. It says Colsey. Just take my word for it. It was $10. It's a size medium. And it's just like a little, I don't know if this is quite a sports bra or a crop top, but it's like a little ribbed number. We'll go with it's a crop top, not a bra. And last but not least,
Rebecca Minkoff.
oh,
It's hot pink and
gray.
brown.
That's gray.
That's
Taupey.
sure. And gold.
I didn't
What a color
think,
combo.
I honestly didn't think that was gonna be Rebecca Minkoff. I just sold a Rebecca Minkoff today. It was a bag for $45 on Poshmark.
And here's the inside.
Any free monies in there? We have
No.
gotten some change in some wallets from ThredUp before. No? Lame. Is it in good shape? How are the corners and stuff? I got some little spots on the corners, but maybe get like $18, I'd say, for that. Ooh. This box was free, by the way, because I used my ambassador credits, so anything that we make off of this box is profit. All right, let's count them up. That's one. Oh, sorry,
One.
we almost failed. Hard. 2,
3,
4,
5,
6,
7,
8,
9,
10, 11. All right, so what was your favorite item from the box? The gnome socks that you're gonna keep? All right, I'll say Chanel Parfums.
Knew you were gonna say that.
Excuse the noise from Clove, our kitten. Just because I've never found anything Chanel before, even though I didn't technically find this, it was sent to me, and it's just Parfums, but I still think it's cool. So let us know in the comments down below what you thought of this box. I definitely think we can make a profit since it didn't cost me anything, but making a monthly post on Instagram and tagging ThredUp. I will leave the link, as always, to my ThredUp Ambassador video down in the description. But let us know what you thought, what your favorite item from this box was. And if you liked it at any point, please give it a big thumbs up. It really helps us out here on YouTube to know what type of content you enjoy seeing from us. My hair is crazy.
And subscribe.
And please consider subscribing if you haven't already. We would love to have you here in this weird little family on the internet. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.
Passports and pizza pies.